Hey, what's up guys? I hope everybody's having a good day. I'm just here in my car. I'm about to install my oil catch can from Mishimoto. I did do a bracket for it. I didn't really do it as as you're really supposed to do it. I just made my own DIY bracket because it's just like the package that I literally bought it on, I think it was Amazon, and then I bought the hoses apart. Like I didn't buy the Mishimoto kit, so I had to kind of give it my own twist. But I'm ready to plug everything up right now. It's pretty simple, so I'm about to show you guys where to connect the hoses and everything and show you my setup. Let's go. The only bad thing is that it's cold as shit out here. Alright, so here's my ghetto ass bracket. I'm gonna make a better one later on, but it works pretty well. I just made it at the warehouse. This is a Mishimoto oil catch can, and then I just got the regular generic hoses, and I just got to put the last one. So basically you connect it, I guess, right next to the power steering, wherever you like. You put the Mishimoto right here. This hose goes right on to this one, and then this one connects right here. So it's pretty simple. I'm probably just gonna put the camera down and show you guys how to do it real quick. Alright, so that's the worst part about it, is just being in the cold. Hose is good. I just gotta measure this hose. This one's already measured, and then just basically plug it up, and there you have it. Oil catch cans. Now, the hardest part I think for me was just the bracket, honestly. I got him on pretty good. It's not the prettiest, but I like it. I wish I could have gotten those see-through lines. I don't know if people get those, but I like my setup. Make sure to hit up Mishimoto for whatever you need, I like their products a lot. I used to have an intercooler for my 240 SR20. Yep, exhaust leak indeed. But I got the new white pipe coming in, so it's all good. Let's go outside. Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm here at my house and I'm basically just gonna trade some stuff. I just wanted to make a little video, but I'm basically gonna trade some stuff I got for cheap, or I just don't really use anymore, don't have no need, But I got the stock bumper, this steering wheel I got for cheap, and this seat I traded for my old blow-off valve that I got from my 240. I gotta take out the bash bar here, or the stock one or whatever. It's only, I think it was a 12 mil, and then it comes all the way off. So he's about to be here, and then I'm gonna install it right now. So let's take it off. Alright, so I got it in, traded everything. The welds are mint. I mean, not the best in the world. He made it. He goes to welding school. Shout out to you, man. It fits pretty well, but it doesn't, it's so dark that it doesn't do justice. So I'm gonna show you guys right now.